Gavana we county ya Nyamira muskimu minyaribo bagawikirana busi we committee ye Senate igoro ya leba usobo koreri elio kwerera igoro yobo koreri ya nasaba kuri mirimo be serikali ya county ya Nyamira nonya nabonye ribuniganyora kinga kingo ngicyo kwerera asamu bolia omo senator we county ya Nyamira Eric Okongo mugeni kweneke abuna ama guseuna ngo muikarange na gusanga amangana libagali oko ya ikiabo sio bwebunke yes gusibesiwe committee ye Senate asesemo yaye umugeni ni gabaga kumugania umugavana wekirani obokoreri bwa yasenchera ebwenerete na komoenekeria buna ereni gakora emirimo yaye asenchera ebwenerete tigatewe nara yaya nyaribabwate.
Not statement, closing remarks.
Thank you so much, Chairman and honorable senators, for giving us an opportunity to explain to you what the auditor had put in the accounts. As we move forward, I request through you, the Senator of Nyamira, to be coming or be contacting the Governor for some great information which we can give him instead of bringing to the Senate. And I would urge him not to take these issues to the funerals where people are bereaved, a penny, and he should be sensitive. That's all. But going forward, we are ready to cooperate with the Senate.
Thank you, Chair. I want to assure the Governor that in the discharge of my work, I will never be directed by you. I do my work as per the Constitution of the Republic of Kenya and through the mandate that I've been given by the people of Nyamira. I'm sorry to tell you, Chairman, to tell you, Governor, you will never direct me where to go. You will never direct me how to engage my people of Nyamira. So I will disappoint you, I'm sorry. If that will annoy you, I'm sorry. So I will do my work without being directed by your office. What I need to seek from the floor of the House, I will do. What I need to get from your office, I will write to you. But you will not direct me how to do my work, whether I should come to your office or not. So you should